To tell you people that I missed when I was making my welcome speech because of microphone was that if you people knew what happened last year in soccer, it was a mess within the Igbo community. There was a big fight between brothers, the same brothers and sisters over one union. And I want to use this opportunity to tell the Igbo community that are here today that the time of two factions or two brothers fighting over one union is over. The time of enmity is over. The time of taking your brother to Iwasweden is over. The time of taking your own brother and sister to court is over. That old Igbo has been dissolved. Out of it came the new Igbo that they formed this year. And the Igbo Welfare Association that we belong to. And that war is over. That enmity is over. Go there and spread the love and peace and acceptance and recognition, forgiveness to their own brothers. For the fact that they belong to another group does not make them their enemy, please. We are here extending love and affection to wherever they are because we are one. We remain one. For the fact that they are one union and we belong to another union, do not make us enemies, please. They are our brothers and sisters. And I want all Igbo community to see us that way. Except that even though we don't belong to the same union, that we are brothers and sisters, please. And I want to extend that love to wherever they are, and I want everybody to go home and preach this love and acceptance and recognition to your family and to your friends, and especially the Igbo community, wherever they are. Two brothers can be in different political organizations and still be brothers and sisters. They can belong to two different religions and still be brothers and sisters. They can belong to two different unions and still be brothers and sisters. That is the spirit I want all of us to leave this place and go and share with our brothers wherever they are. They are our brothers. They have the right to belong to any association. As far as they are happy, we are happy with them, and we expect them to be happy with us wherever we are. So that when we meet tomorrow, we'll be happy, regardless of where they belong, the religion they go, the political affiliation, and so on and so forth. So thank you so much. And the DJ, please, give us some nice music. Thank you so much. Yes, ladies and
Bali malam leyan, oyay, bali malam. Wait a malam leyan, oyay, bali malam.
baby, akikurede, pom pom. Ashawo, awusha, awusha, ashawo, ashawo, awusha, pom pom. Pom pom. And the baby sawa lele, sawa 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 lele.
My people in Igbo Welfare Association have decided to also nominate me and elect me as their new chairman of the new Igbo Welfare Association. And for me, it's a pride and honor. I'm so humbled that what I did when I was the chairman of Nzukondi Igbo was appreciated. And that was why they voted me in to be the new chairman of the union. So it's a pride to me and it's a challenge for me to give them all that I can to build a very strong, united union. It's all about bringing us together. It's all about being a one united union. It's all about love. It's all about unity. It's all about taking care of our children. It's all about promoting our culture. It's all about uniting our women. It's all about uniting our family. It's all about being brothers and sisters, because we came all the way from Nigeria to this place without our parents, but we have formed a union. We are our brothers and sisters. We are our parents. So now we have formed a family, and I want it to remain a union of family. No political or personal interest, just to, have a union that will make us feel at home in faraway Sweden. I want to extend my appreciation and regard to my current executive and the entire members of Igbo Welfare Association for giving me that confidence and that respect and that belief in electing me as their new chairman. So I'm very proud of what we have achieved, and we promise to achieve more as time goes on.